Well, here we are at Spiritcars, putting together this to be a turnkey. This was a barn find. This is a steel-bodied car, and Mike brought it to us. We built the chassis and putting the motor in it. This got an LS motor in it, so we're doing some wiring. There's a lot of wires everywhere.
Yes, there is.
I got wires here, wires there. So this thing almost ready to start, isn't it?
Yep.
So are you sure?
Yeah, I am. Ready.
This guy's confident. So we got the computer all figured out. We got everything going on.
Yep.
So this is it. This will be like the first go around. If you get this going, I'll be impressed. Now it's a used motor.
Well, here we go.
Okay, you ready? Whoa! Whoa!
She's alive.
It's alive. I'm pretty excited. I bet Mike will be excited.
Oh yeah.
So now you got to just button up some of the wiring.
Yep.
And then we got to
Terminate this and
put
start
the radiator
cleaning
on.